Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, business operators in Old Harbour, St. Catherine are desperately appealing for the authorities to relax the curfew hours under the state of public emergency. At a town hall meeting on Friday, operators told the police that the 6 p.m. curfew is unreasonable as many small establishments are struggling to make ends meet. Kelisha Williams has that story.
The first town hall meeting in Old Harbour's commercial district since this man, ASP Romario Rankin, took office as head sub-officer. Mr. Rankin took charge amidst a flare-up of crime and violence, which led to the state of public emergency in St. Catherine South, which includes Old Harbour.
The lockdown hours, those people, starts at 6 p.m. and runs to 6 a.m. the following morning. A lot of persons are saying that they're unaware of same or they were never informed of same. I am using the opportunity now to let you be aware that the curfew, the SOE is in place.
However, some business owners feel the authorities are biased in how the curfew has been implemented under the SOE because some businesses have been allowed to operate beyond 6 p.m. daily.
We have essential aids which come in the form of KFC and Burger King, and as such, underneath the SOE, they are allowed to operate up until their closing time. The gas stations are also allowed alongside pharmacies because they provide services that these essential workers will need or might need from time to time.
And then there are concerns about the curfew itself.
It will be a major blow over the next 14 days. So I'm imploring that you seek to address this. If you can move it to 10 p.m., we would appreciate that.
It's very frustrating, and I think that the 6 o'clock could be a 9 o'clock because I remember the last SOE that we had, it was for 7 o'clock, and with pressure that we placed, then they had raised it to 9 o'clock.
In response, ASP Rankin stressed that order has to be maintained in the town. TVJ News also asked the police why the hours are not more flexible on weekends. ASP Rankin explained an assessment will be done and recommendations will be made when the current measure ends.
Bear in mind that when there's an SOE, it's a 24/7 lockdown. Understand? You are being given the leniency to operate in the mornings because it is not that of a restricted one. However, when it reaches certain hours in the evening, it must be enforced. Bear in mind that when there is chaos, there is no law.
Since the start of the year, there have been 4 murders in Old Harbour, 1 more than the corresponding period last year. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.